Okay, class, our lesson for tonight is about sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a thought. Okay?
A pot.
Sometimes it has a verb. Usually it contains verb or adjective.
Me.
Okay, Matt, can you give me an example of a sentence?
Mommy always cook. My turn.
Okay. Martin?
Daddy chop fruits and vegetables.
Okay, what else?
Tita always sleep.
Okay. Okay. Sit
Ang
properly.
galing,
Okay,
ah.
ang galing. Okay, Martin.
Martin and Matt always played.
Play. Okay. Always.
Me.
Okay, good.
Martin and Matt always art.
Huh?
Martin and Matt always making art.
Very good. Okay, galing. Okay, Martin?
Martin and Matt always color and draw.
Okay. Another sentence.
Mommy.
Another sentence, please.
Me. Okay, Mommy. Martin and Mommy give us gummies.
Correct. Okay, Martin?
Mommy, where table go?
Huh?
We need to do our work.
Okay, but we're on the constructing a sentence.
We're
Okay.
doing a sentence.
Okay, Martin. Sit down.
Okay.
Give me an example of sentence. Then I will announce the star of the night. Go sit down.
Okay.
Okay, Kuya. No, this is my stick. Okay, Kuya. Give me another sentence, please.
Daddy wants to miss Mommy and Matt and Martin.
Okay,
They will be us friends.
Okay, Daddy, Mrs. Matt, and Martin.
And
Okay.
Mommy.
And Mommy, okay. You?
And Tita Teta.
And Tita Teta. Okay, give me another sentence, Martin.
We all, Martin and Matt and Mommy and Tita Teta always sleep.
Okay, very good.
Daddy always go to office.
Okay, very good.
Daddy always go with us to the school.
Very good. Ang gagaling mo.
Mommy pick us in the home.
What?
Mommy pick us in the home.
Mommy pick us from
The home.
home. Okay.
home.
So, Matt and Martin, I will announce now the star of the night. Okay? So, we have a tie. Our star of the night is Martin, and Kuya Ma.
Yay!
Ang gagaling naman pala eh.
Certificate.
Okay.
Mr. Cuddle.
Okay, this is your Mr. Cuddle.
Here's me.
This is your Mr. Cuddle.
And my
This is your
certificate.
certificate,
And my
and your
star
badge.
badge. Be me
Oh,
badge.
this is your badge.
Well,
This is your badge.
I
Okay.
need to go to the. I need to smile.
Okay, smile.
need to
Okay,
go.
3, 2, 1, click. 3, 2, 1, click.
Go
Okay.
to MPH.
Okay, very good.
MPH.
Okay, say bye.
Hi. No, we need to go to MPH.
Okay, this is our MPH now. Galing pala naman eh.